Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I have another video for you guys. I'll be putting another one this week. So yeah, 3 videos in total. So I didn't expect to get my package very early. Also, I didn't know that Tatcha's warehouse is close to where I live, so I'm still very excited. So before I'm going to do my first impressions of the new Tatcha, the Self Powder Primer, if you like to watch makeup reviews or first impressions of new makeup products, please don't forget to subscribe on my channel. If you're a makeup enthusiast, if you're a makeup lover like myself, please don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Click the bell to be notified every time I upload my videos. Now let's go get started. Is the packaging same as their other products, and I'm going to show you the inside. I'm already wearing foundation, concealer, primer. For the primer, I am wearing the Tatcha Self Canvas primer. I have been using this one for almost a month. I also tried the first one, the pot one, the first version of this primer. I loved that one, and this one I have been really enjoying. Makes my skin really smooth and flawless because I do not use filter or like skin smoothing filter on my camera. So that's why, really love the Tatcha Soft Canvas Primer. So when I saw this one, I got like really interested. I'm not really into like loose powder products because I have dry skin. The only one that I have been using is the Hourglass ambient lining powder. That one's very light. For my skin, it doesn't feel like drying, but it makes my skin really smooth, especially if I have like acne or like bumps on my face. So that one is really very nice. But this one though, this was very interesting. I think this is the first like face like makeup product from Tatcha. So this one retails for $68. It has 20 grams or 0.7 ounces. So I'm just gonna type down the Hourglass ambient lining. I only have the ambient lining palette. I don't have the individual ambient lining. So I'm just gonna type down how much the ambient lining from Hourglass. So this one is the Radiant Translucent Setting Powder. So they only have one shade. So let me read what it says about this powder, because I'm not really sure. So let's go check out the website. Talc free protected. Oh, that's so nice. Talc free, because some people, like I mentioned before, are allergic to talc. So protective setting powder that blurs pore, shields blue light and pollution, and leaves skin with translucent, soft, radiant finish. It's not like super matte, like like soft matte. That's what I'm thinking. And then instant and always shine control. Helps makeup last 8 hours, shields blue light and pollution particles which may cause wrinkles and dark spots. 100% short instant improvement in skin texture, the appearance of pores, the appearance of fine lines. I don't have fine lines under my eyes, not so much like skin texture, acne scars and dark spots. What else it says in here? Non-comedogenic, non-irritating, non-synthesizing. The method is tested. It's free with talc, mineral oils, synthetic fragrances, sulfate detergents, parabens, DEA, TEA, or phthalates. So it has silk, same ingredient as the Silk Canvas Primer. It has silk, which also good. It has like amino acids. What is I lost it now. Okay, so the two proteins that comprise silk, sericin, and pyruvin. So it has sun silk, same as the Silk Canvas Primer that makes your skin really like smooth. It has antioxidants. What else has and it helps prevent anti-pollution, blue light. I mean, I already said it already. I keep on repeating myself like all the time. What else? Japanese pearl powder. I believe this one also has on the Soft Canvas Primer. So this is made in Japan. It's a Japanese brand. If you guys don't know, I love Tatcha products. They are very expensive. I tried the products before, the face cream, the eye cream, and I really love those products. But I did not purchase anymore because very expensive. So the only thing that I have been using is this one, and then I decided to get the powder because this one really piqued my interest. So I'm gonna do a demo of this. So this is the packaging, same as the Excel Canvas Primer, like lilac orchid color. So really cute. And then I think this, yeah, this is the only shade. So I don't know how this powder gonna work with darker complexion or darker than me. I'm light to medium with neutral undertone, if you guys want to know. So this is the product, and I'm just gonna remove this white like rubber. So oh, I just dropped the thing. So I guess oh yeah, this the thing in here, around this thing in here, that's where the powder comes out. So like I guess I have to yeah. Oh yeah, it is. So the white thing is like cover so that the powder won't go anywhere, I guess. So this is the powder. Let me try and feel it. Ooh, see like glitter, but very fine, like glittery thing in here. Yeah, but very fine though, very smooth and very silky. So see guys, so I'm gonna apply this one under my eyes. Top off the excess. Okay, my mirror. I'm applying the powder again. And you can notice this side looks a little bit better than this side, I think. So that looks a little bit more smoother than my on my left side, sorry. So it's a very light powder. I'm reapplying the blush again. Same color from Westman Atelier in Cuccieri. So this is how my face looks right now. I think I'm gonna need to reapply this bronzer again. I already did my first impressions of this brand LYS yesterday. So I'm just gonna reapply bronzer on my forehead because I look like a ghost right now. Alright guys, and this is the completed makeup look. Oh my god, this headband that's giving me headache right now. It's too tight. Alright guys, so this is the completed makeup look guys, and my skin looks really like I'm glowing right now, like natural radiant finish. That's why it says on the thing, and I actually agree. Very lightweight. Powder was fine, like felt very like finely milled. Reminded me, I have to say this, reminded me of the Hourglass Ambient Lining powder, which is the finishing powder. I have the finishing ambient lining palette from Hourglass. It reminded me of that one. Very lightweight, gave me the very flawless like skin finish. Right now my face doesn't feel dry because I have dry skin, so that's why I really like finishing powders. So yeah, I'm very excited, very happy. Under my eyes, I mean, it's feel like creases a little bit, but I mean, it's not bad at all guys. It doesn't look cakey at all. My skin right now looks really like dewy because I sprayed my with the Rare Beauty spray, but overall I am very impressed, very impressed. Wow, very impressed. I don't know if you can see on the camera. I'm very impressed guys. So for somebody who has dry skin, I really like this one because I have dry skin, I have acne prone skin, I have like acne scars right now, my skin is breaking out right now. So this one's actually really good product for me. I don't know how this gonna work with like a dark complexion or darker complexion. I have light to medium with neutral undertone. So yeah, there's only thing, they only have like one shade of this. So there's only negative thing about this product. They don't have any more like shades for darker complexion, so only this one. So I just know I think it would be really nice if they would like have added a little bit more, like more shades of this one, because I think this is like a really great product. So those are all my thoughts for this new Tatcha, the Silk Canvas powder. I think it works really good with the primer too. So it's a canvas primer. So this, oh, those are all my thoughts, and this is the end of my video. Please don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Okay, give me a headache. If you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up, and I hope to see you all on my next video. Bye bye.